Hey everyone! Today we're taking a quick look at Strava, one of the most popular apps for tracking sports activities. Strava is a fitness tracking app used by runners, cyclists, hikers, and even swimmers. It records your workouts using your phone's GPS or your smartwatch and stores all your stats in one place. When you start an activity, Strava tracks your route, distance, speed, heart rate, elevation, and more. After you finish, it shows you detailed analytics, maps, and progress charts. So you can see exactly how you performed. You can track your improvement over time, challenge your friends, join global events, and stay motivated. Strava also works with most fitness devices like Garmin, Fitbit, and Apple Watch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.